Hey, what's up? This is your boy Crazy Walters from website GM, and in this video I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna explain to you what is website hosting, also known as web hosting. Please subscribe to the channel below so that you could get notified when I drop videos that explain stuff. Thank you and bye. Okay, web hosting. What is web hosting? If you're going to create a website online, you will need web hosting. This is also known as web hosting. So what is it and how does it work? Web hosting is essentially on the web as it relates to the internet, and a host which relates to a computer on the internet that stores data for another. Web hosting. A web host or web hosting service provider is a business that provides the technology and services needed for a website and its web pages to be viewed online or on the internet. Web hosting. Web hosting is usually rented or leased virtual space located on a remote web hosting company server that stores all your website content, such as your web pages, your images, videos, logos, chat messages, files, etc. That is the website content, will be shown online to people when they type your website name in their favorite browser such as Google Chrome, Firefox, etc. All information regarding your website is stored here at the hosting company. The advantage of web hosting. The advantages of purchasing web hosting, which is renting or leasing website space, is that you own all your information and you are in control of your website. Types of web hosting. There are three types of web hosting, and these are shared hosting, VPS hosting, and dedicated hosting. Shared hosting is a type of web hosting where a single physical server or computer hosts multiple websites. Many users utilize their resources on this single server or computer, and it keeps costs low. It is usually fast. VPS hosting is a type of hosting that gives you your own private virtual server or computer. This means you don't share resources with all websites like with shared hosting. It's much faster than shared hosting. And then there is dedicated hosting. This is a type of hosting in which a client rents or leases an entire server or computer that is not shared with anyone. This is the fastest. Which hosting plan do you need? As a beginner, we should start with shared hosting. This is best if you're now getting started with your first website or blog. This is by far the cheapest and it is fast. Later on, as your website starts to get lots of traffic or visitors in the thousands per month, then you can probably upgrade to a faster solution like VPS hosting or dedicated hosting. Alright, so the best platform for building simple and professional looking websites, there's WordPress. WordPress is the simplest platform online today for building professional looking websites. Most web hosting companies pre-install WordPress software for you, so all you are left with is the design of your website. Okay, BLUEHOST hosting. BLUEHOST is one of the leading platforms for WordPress. The majority of websites online running WordPress are hosted at BLUEHOST. So here is a picture of some of BLUEHost's shared hosting plans. They come in the Basic, Plus, Choice Plus, and the Pro. But for now, as a beginner, you would start with the Basic, which is $4.95 a month. Okay, so I've done some calculation to show you how economical it is once you choose the Basic plan, which is for beginners. For the first year, once you sign up, you get a 44% discount. This means for 1 year, you pay only $4.95, and the next set of years, you will pay the original price. If you want to go as far as purchasing a plan for 2 years, you get 53% discount, which you'll only be paying $3.95 per month, which sums up to the whole 2-year plan would sum up to $94.84. If you do a 3-year plan, which states for 3 years you'll only pay $99 for hosting, which is only $2.75 per month for 3 years. Okay, so any questions? Some of the questions you may ask is this the best web hosting service for WordPress? The answer is yes. I use it. BLUEHOST is a recognized hosting service and also a WordPress partner. They have hundreds of thousands of satisfied customers around the world. Another question that may concern you is, can I build a website today from scratch without any technical knowledge? The answer is yes. You can start a website with no previous knowledge and complete it in less than 50 minutes. Okay, additionally, what are some of the benefits of signing up with BLUEHOST? The answer, you get discount. You get a discount as a first-time customer. Also, BLUEHOST has a very secure platform and they provide 24-hour customer support. Okay, thanks for watching, and you can head over to www.websitegm.com and get started with creating your very first website. Thank you, and please subscribe to the channel. It helps the channel grow. Thank you and bye. See you in the next video.